Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to export file to image in WPS Office. So for example, we have here a simple file. If we want to export it to image, we need to go to File tab, and then we need to find here Export to Picture option. We need to click on it, and then we need to change exporting settings. I recommend you to select export type by page. You can select here watermark if you want to use it. We have selected here all pages. We can change the format. I recommend you to set here PNG, but of course if you need it you can change it to JPG or BMP or TIFF. So I select here PNG. You can change quality. I select here standard, and we need to select export path. After that I need to click export button, and after a moment your file should be successfully exported as picture. So you can find this picture on the path which you have selected here. So you can click open path and open it. So how you see, we have here file exported to PNG. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.